I would say for Juno, the best play would be to work with Stargaze, maybe to get like a Stargaze outpost on Juno, and also try to get the token Juno listed on Stargaze as well. So like user can create NFT and denom the NFT in Juno as well. You know what I mean? And also like the Juno community can create like a collection for Juno on Stargaze and denom it in Juno. You see what happened with Celestia, and also that would be more common. And with Stargaze V2 coming up soon, you'll be able to do all that. And that would rally the community, you know what I mean? Because the NFT is such a powerful way to kind of like engage your community. So I can see if a core Juno member launch a NFT on Stargaze, nominating either Juno or maybe USDC,
Yeah.
and kind of like market it as a way to rally the community. The fund would be used maybe to fund Juno development and stuff like that.